The player control is now complete. We have our 2D Mario clone-like character running around. We have the basic control schemes working for it. We also have a little bit of interaction with the environment, being able to push the character down. Let's go ahead and just go through the code real fast, make sure you've seen it all. So I'll just leave this part up on the screen and then just go down a little bit so you can see each part. Alright, so again, we defined all the variables we needed. Inside, we created the sound function so we could use it very easily throughout the code. And then inside the update function, we just placed a lot of if statements that we were using, but as we were looking at before, we could easily have gone back in and created a set of functions for it individually so that each one could be called separately. But for the moment, it's just all if statements for it. I'll scroll down a little bit further here. Alright. And again, if you get to this part and you haven't completely caught up, you want to review it, just remember, just pause and take a look at the screen. And that should finish this off. Alright. So that gives us all the code for the player control for the moment. We still have a little bit of the a little bit of code that we're still needing to work on, but it'll come a little bit later when we start creating some elements in the environment that the character has to interact with further. For this one though, let's go ahead and do one final test here of the character. Let's see. So again, if you have your joystick or you have keyboard, either one, I'll just use a joystick on this one. I can make the character run, walk, you can do a regular jump, you can do a run jump, and you can also do a crouch and jump with the character that way. And then if he hits the block, he'll just push down a lot quicker. Alright, so that finishes off the character controller. And again, if you have interest in adding or changing up things to the controller, feel free to do that. The code should be set up well enough at this point that we can have a lot of fun additions to the character to continue bringing out more of the Mario features for it.